Hello, and welcome back for another look behind the orange and blue. I'm Dr. Matt Mazzoni, Superintendent of Millville Public Schools. I want to start with a special shout out to Millville High School senior Dontae Jones for being awarded the prestigious Dell Scholarship. This fall, Dontae will attend Stockton University School of Business, where he will take part in an accelerated MBA program, earning both his bachelor's and master's in just 5 years. His designation as a Dell Scholar will provide him financial assistance with enrollment and textbooks, a new Dell laptop, of course, and a robust system of support in the form of tutors and coaches. All this was made possible by Dontae's hard work, of course, but also the support of the AVID program in our district and his 12th grade AVID teacher, Miss Tara Cotton. So once again, congratulations, Dontae. If you've been following our social media, you know that students in our elementary gifted and talented program have caught the chess bug. This week, 5th grade students in the program participated in a district-wide chess tournament showcasing their strategic thinking and problem-solving skills. Competing against students from various schools in the district, they demonstrated impressive focus, sportsmanship, and determination. Their hard work and preparation paid off as they engaged in exciting matches and learned, of course, valuable lessons in strategy and perseverance. Thank you to Miss Colleen Blythe and Miss Kelly Davis, our gifted and talented teachers that make events like this possible. Don't miss the excitement of 42nd Street as Millville High School brings this dazzling Broadway classic to life on April 10th, 11th, and 12th starting at 7 p.m. With incredible talent, show-stopping dance numbers, and unforgettable music, this production is sure to entertain audiences of all ages. Get your tickets today and support our amazing student performers in a night of music, laughter, and Broadway magic. Shout out to Miss Margaret Kiefer and the entire staff that built the amazing sets, also supporting the playing in the pit, coached our student singers, and even taught the cast how to tap dance from scratch. This week, the South Jersey Youth Alliance visited all of our schools for special assemblies focused on bullying. Make sure you're standing up for bullying. Speakers Mr. Preston Centullo and Chris Hollyfield, who was a WWE wrestler, delivered a powerful message sharing their experiences, also encouraging students to promote kindness and respect, and reminding students that they have the power to stand up instead of being a bystander. One of the key takeaways was the 10 for 10 challenge, and that is something we're all looking forward to. So that is to inspire 10 people a day for 10 days. Are you up for the challenge? And now for our athletic highlight. Millville High School has been awarded the Unified Champion Schools Grant through the Special Olympics of New Jersey, which promotes inclusion through sports and leadership opportunities. The high school is currently forming a unified club, bringing together students of all abilities to compete as teammates. So this spring, right now, the club will take part in track events, fostering teamwork, friendship, and a spirit of unity. I can't wait to see this brand new Bolts team compete this spring. Here are a few reminders for upcoming events. This Saturday is the annual Ron Vinnick Varsity Softball Tournament. Our Bolts team hosts visiting teams. One is my alma mater, Buna, but let's go Bolts, take them down, and also taking on Oakcrest, Pennsville, and St. Joe Academy. The games start at 10 a.m. at Millville High School. We have book fairs coming up next week at Child Family Center, Holly Heights, and yes, Millville High School. So get ready to start reading. And don't forget, spring break is around the corner. We will be closed Friday, April 18th through Friday, April 25th. So in closing, thank you for watching. Let's go Bolts.